Hello and welcome to the Workouts for Older Men podcast. I'm Skip LaCour, and if you're a man who is a little older, still ambitious, still driven, but frustrated because your body doesn't look the way you know it should, then you're in the right place. In today's episode, we're going to tackle a very specific problem that a lot of men deal with, but not a lot of people explain the right way. And that's the skinny fat look. You're not overweight, you're not out of shape in clothes, but when the shirt comes off, there's no definition, no density, no real muscle tone. And you're wondering, what am I doing wrong? Right? I'm going to break this down for you in a very simple, practical way so you finally understand what's really going on and, more importantly, what you need to do to fix it. And listen, if you've been trying to figure this out on your own, watching videos, piecing things together, and you're still not where you want to be, I want you to go to talkwithskip.com, fill out that questionnaire, and text me a picture. I'll take a look at your situation and give you direct, personalized guidance so you can finally break through. Let's get into it. There's a certain frustration that comes with what people call the skinny fat look. You're not overweight. You're not 300 pounds. You don't look out of shape in clothes. In fact, most people would say you look fine. But you and I both know the truth. When the shirt comes off, there's no definition, no muscle tone, and more body fat than there should be for a man your size. That disconnect messes with you. You're doing something, but it's not giving you the result you want. And that's exactly where most men get stuck. Let me make this very clear right from the start. This is not a mystery problem. It's not unique to you. I've helped hundreds of men in this exact situation. The issue isn't that your body is broken, it's that your strategy is incomplete. And once you understand what's really going on, everything starts to make sense. The skinny fat look comes down to one simple reality. You don't have enough muscle and you have more body fat than your frame can carry well. That combination creates that soft, undefined appearance. It's not about being big, it's about having enough muscle to shape your body. Most men in this situation assume they just need to lose fat. That sounds logical, right? But here's where they go wrong. They try to diet harder, eat less, and maybe throw in more cardio. And all that does is make the problem worse. Because the real issue isn't just fat, or it's a lack of muscle. If you want to change how your body looks, you must build muscle. Not randomly, not casually, but with intention, structure, and progression. You need a weight training routine that challenges you. That means progressive overload, gradually asking more of your body over time. More weight, more control, more intensity. You don't need to complicate this. A structured 3-day, 4-day, or 5-day routine done consistently will get the job done if you're pushing yourself the right way. This is where most men fall short. They go through the motions, they lift weights, but they don't challenge themselves enough to force adaptation. Your body only changes when you give it a reason to. If your workouts feel comfortable, your body has no reason to grow. So the mission is simple. Train hard enough, consistently enough, and progressively enough to build muscle, because muscle is what gives your body shape, density, and that toned look you're after. Now, here's the part that surprises most men, and honestly, this is where the biggest breakthrough happens. Most skinny fat men are not overeating. They're undereating. I've seen this over and over again. When I actually have men track what they eat, not guess, not estimate, but actually look at it, they're often eating far less than they think, sometimes 1,200 to 1,800 calories a day. That's not enough to build muscle. It's not enough to support your metabolism. It's not enough to create a strong, defined physique. Your body adapts to whatever you give it. If you consistently underfeed it, it slows down, it conserves energy, it stops building muscle, and it holds on to body fat. That's how you end up looking soft despite being smaller. There is a right amount of food for your body, not too much, not too little, and guessing isn't good enough if you want a precise result. For many of you, eating more strategically with enough protein and total calories is exactly what your body needs. And yes, at first it's going to feel uncomfortable. It's going to feel like too much, but that's only because your body has adapted to too little. You don't want your body to survive. You want it to perform. Let's clear something up about fat loss. Most men think cardio is the answer. It helps, but it's not the main driver. Your eating habits determine your fat loss, not how much you sweat on the treadmill. You can do all the cardio you want, but if your nutrition isn't dialed in, you won't get the result. And more importantly, you'll stay stuck in that cycle of doing more and more work without seeing meaningful change. Fat loss comes from consistency in your eating habits. Muscle building comes from your training. When you combine both proper nutrition and progressive weight training, That's when your body transforms. Here's the truth. Most men don't want to admit you've been guessing your workouts, guessing your food, guessing what your body needs, and hoping that eventually it all comes together. But hope is not a strategy. There's a specific way to train, a specific amount of food to eat, a realistic timeline for results. When you understand those things, everything changes. You stop spinning your wheels. You stop second guessing. You start executing with certainty. Fixing the skinny, fat look isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things consistently, long enough for your body to respond. You build muscle with structured, progressive weight training. You fuel your body with enough calories and protein to support growth. You create eating habits that allow fat loss without sacrificing muscle. And you give it time. Real time, not the rushed expectations most men have. That's how you change your body. That's how you change how you look in the mirror. If you're listening to this, reading this, consuming all this information, and you still don't have the body you want, then something's missing. Not effort, not desire, but clarity. And that's where I come in. Go to talkwithskip.com. Fill out the questionnaire thoroughly. Tell me exactly what you've been doing. Then text me a picture, whatever you're comfortable with. I'll take a look and give you real direction based on your situation. This isn't new to me. But it might be the first time you're hearing it in a way that finally clicks. You don't need more confusion. You don't need more rigmarole. You need a clear plan that works and the certainty to follow through with it. Let's fix this. Well, that's going to do it for this Workouts for Older Men podcast episode. If this message hit home for you, if you know you're tired of looking just okay and you're ready to finally build a strong, lean, defined body, don't keep trying to figure this out on your own. Go to talkwithskip.com, fill out the questionnaire thoroughly so I understand exactly where you are, what you've been doing, and what's been holding you back. Then text me a picture, whatever you're comfortable with, and let's have a real conversation about what it's going to take for you to get to that next level. You don't need more confusion. You don't need more information. You need clarity, certainty, and a plan that works. Take action, and remember, take on the day with a sense of urgency. We have more time behind us than we do in front of us. Let's make it count.